True Jamaican vibes. So today I am in Anchovy in the St. James area. Big up on yourself, anyone now watch from. Yeah man, so thank you all for stopping by on the channel. So I am in Anchovy. So you can keep on enjoying yourself, giving a tour to Montego Bay Airport. Yeah man, I know a lot of people from all over scared to drive on Long Hill. Yeah man, so you know I go down Long Hill today. Coming up on your right, that is gonna be Anchovy High School. So now if you look out for some pothole of them area, you know. Look out for some potholes, you know. So in the comment section you can leave where you're watching from. Yeah man, so you can leave where you're watching from. I would be happy to know that, glad to know that. And always feel free so hit the like button free of cost, so you know YouTube like the algorithm, so it can get to share to other people on the platform.
On B8 for 3 kilometers.
So I'm driving on B8. Heading towards Bogue Road. Yeah man, so you know, sir, we have to go down Long Hill first before reach to Bogue Road. I really want to hold up no traffic, you know, so you know I can't drive in normal speed like before. You know, in some areas I can't hold up no traffic like that. You know, this is Jamaica. Can't ramp with the road, people are going to blow you off of the road. Yeah, man, having some nice weather today. So we are now approaching the Long Hill area. So when you're driving in the Long Hill area, you gotta be very, very careful. Yeah, man, be very, very careful. Always try to go down Long Hill in low gear. And also, this road can be very, very slippery when wet. So in the weather time, when a lot of rain fall, and also Long Hill always under some heavy water, always some form of flooding in that area. So you gotta look out on the eyes and be very careful. Yeah, man, so you must go down Long Hill in a low gear. Just take your time, man. Take your time. Me driving down Long Hill, I never scared because I'm taking my time. There's some people when they drive speed, them don't really obey the road code, just speeding every day, every minute, every second. Trust me, the road condition kind of bad, so there's no need for speeding. And so now I go chop on the tire, and I chop a tire in the pothole them. So I am away from Bogue Road, is like about 1.1 kilometer away from the Bogue Road. Yeah, man, so this is Long Hill. Trust me, when you reach here, so you can get a look over into the sea. It's a beauty. Yeah, man, when you reach right in this location, you say, yeah, Jamaica nice, Jamaica beautiful, Jamaica pretty. Nice look over into the sea. You can see from here the hospital in the Montego Bay area. The public hospital. Yeah, man. See them big unit here, full of cement, well loaded. So if you make the left turn, will take you all to Negril, Lucy, Savlamar, them place they have Hopewell, Lucy, Negril. Hopewell is about I think it's about 10 minutes drive to Hopewell. So now I am on the Bogue Road. I know say every time I know things change up in Jamaica. So just be grateful for the videos them where come out so you have an understanding about the beautiful island of Jamaica. Yes, people, sorry about that. Run the stoplight a while ago. You know, the thing set up. So that was just behind my control. Yeah, man. Things do happen. Just always remember that things do happen. Nobody is perfect. Sometimes, you know, if you come to the airport, you know, some of the time you have to leave out from early because when you talk about traffic, some of the time unpredictable. And I know you don't want to miss your flight, so try to leave out early as possible. Always remember something can happen on the road, like accident or anything. So you can make a detour and take another route to go to the airport, and sometimes you're gonna have to take a longer route. So try to leave out from early if you know you're going to the airport to catch a flight. If you're going to pick up somebody, it's different. You know, a person have to wait for you until you reach. This turn can take you all to Freeport, Ironshore, Chilani. Yeah, man. like Montego Bay, like them gonna get some rain today. So we are heading to Howard Cook Drive. We're gonna make the right turn. So welcome to Jamrock. Know when it reach like 12 o'clock, you know, we're gonna have some traffic in some areas. Cause you know at times soon lunchtime for some workplaces, so people going about to get their lunch. So we're heading to Sunset Boulevard. On your left, you have the Walter Fletcher Beach. Close to Walter Fletcher Beach, you have the Margaritaville, which is 0.5 kilometer ahead. On your right, you have a very nice restaurant over there. They call it the Pelican. Yeah man, we talk about real Jamaican breakfast. You can check over the Pelican on your right across from Burger King, close to Margaritaville also. So they close them out today. So I'm gonna make the right turn will take you all to on Ken Avenue. If you go straight ahead, will take you all to, I think it's Dead End Beach. Tara USA, you shop anywhere, we deliver to you. So you can shop anywhere and Tara will deliver to you. We are like about 30 seconds away from Sangsters International Airport. Yeah, man. So I look at parking at the parking lot here now. Good evening. You can pay at the exit, right?
Huh?
You can pay at the exit.
You want to leave it?
Alright, thanks.